Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I just picked up this 13-piece Torx kit. I really liked how these were on the Allen ones that I got. I think they did a really good job on the sockets themselves. The knurled edge is really nice. Overall, it just seemed really high quality. So the hex kit like this has a lot more pieces because it's standard and metric and everything. With the Torx, it's pretty simple. It's kind of like metric where it just starts at one size. So T8 has a nice selection and just goes up to T60. So it should be most, if not all, of the Torx sizes that you would need. And so even though it's a smaller package, I thought this would be worth having. This one was about $60. This was about $30. So nice little kit here. Now, because the Torx has fewer bits than the metric standard of the hex, what I would have suggested is they include all of these sizes and then also the same sizes with the tamper-proof or security bit. And I'll show you a little bit later in the video what I'm talking about with that. So on the back side, as you can see here, you have a little measure and stick here. It's on both of these boxes. So that's just something that they include. And then these are the mod boxes. So it's kind of like Milwaukee's Pack Out. It's their version of that. And so this one will nest on this one, okay. It's not like it locks in, but it does hang on it, kind of like that. So it will fall off. It's not like it's really locking in, even though it has this locking tab on it. So it does have a way of kind of latching, but it's not as secure as I would think, even with a locking tab here. It doesn't really seem to lock into anything. It just kind of piggybacks on it a little bit if you can get it just right. But so it's there and it'll hang on a little bit, but just don't expect for it to come out any other way. It's not going to lock in and then stay there for good. But let's see, let's go ahead and open these up. So what really sold me on these, again, I was using the hex ones not too long ago, and I just really liked the quality of them. So really high visibility, the nice knurled part, that's the hatching there, it makes it easy to turn, and they seem like they were good quality. The only thing about Torx is they do have some tamper-proof or security bit ones, and it's nice to have those. They have the hole in the nose of it. So these ones are not going to be security bit or tamper-proof. It'd be nice to have that option. They probably want to keep this more like a darker impact so that it gives you more strength than anything. So an example where you might want that, if we're looking at the mass airflow meter, for example, see how it has that little button in the nose of the fastener? So that's called a security bit. They also call that tamper-proof. And so that makes it so that the bit will not go all the way down in there unless you have the hole in the nose of it. So that's what those fasteners right there kind of look like. So what you would need in that case, as you see here, these are Torx ones that do have a hole in the nose of them. And so that helps you get onto those fasteners that do have that nub on there as a security tamper-proof bit. So they are common to find in other kits like these ones. You can go and buy a lot of them. Find them pretty simple. You just have to know what you're looking for. So the way that they're going to do this is basically the larger ones are going to be your 1/2-inch drive size. Your medium-sized ones are going to be your 3/8 inch drive. So you just have a different drive size for each, and then 1/4 inch for the smallest one. So no adapters or anything like that. They are 3 different drive sizes in there. So make sure that you have your 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/4 inch drives available. If not, you want to buy some extra reducers or adapters, and then you could keep them in this kit if you have it. I like how this one had storage space. This one just being smaller, it's only large enough to carry the sizes that you purchased. And as for the box, you're just going to have to look at the size of what you're using to put it away. It doesn't have it written out what size goes where, so not a big deal. Even on the Milwaukee ones, we saw I had to go and color those in because they still have work to do over here. You know, were kind of hard to see. So on this, if you really wanted to, I guess you could write the sizes out next to it when you first get it. So just comparing this kit to what would have come in my larger Craftsman set, you get 4 more of them in this kit. This one is designed to try to give you a little bit of everything with Torx and hex. So this one, basically, when it's all said and done, you're going to get the T60 and the T55 in this kit that the Craftsman doesn't. And then you'll have all of these sizes except for the last 2 again, which come down to a T10 and a T8. So you're basically getting the 2 largest and the 2 smallest sizes more than what you typically find in some of these other kits. So it just depends on the kit that you're buying, of course. You know, here's another example here. This kit actually went up to T55, so you get the 60 in the Klein kit that this one didn't have, and this goes down to 15, so you get the 10 and the 8. So a few sizes in between. So it really just depends on what kit you're getting, but I did like that this was a pretty complete kit here. So in the end, I think it's nice to have to complement the other kit so that you have the Torx and the hex. They're a really good quality. I think they're a really nice quality actual socket. I used them the other day on the hex ones and really liked them. And so that's kind of what led me to pick these ones up, so that I had the Torx version of them as well. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please put your comments in the comments section. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're new to the channel, check the video description. I have a whole playlist of other videos that are similar to this, reviewing all kinds of other tools and installs on cars and all kinds of stuff. So thanks for watching.